Rhino Shield cases for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. We have the crash guard here, the solid suit, and also this one is another solid suit in a different colorway. So I want to give a shout out to Rhino Shield for sending these over. Let's dive in. We'll take a look at the crash guard. This is a bumper case. So check out the packaging. Rhino Shield crash guard for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. 11 feet of impact protection, certified military grade. Take a look. Flip the packaging over and some more information about the case, etc. And these are samples from Rhino Shield. So let's check this one out. Put that to the side, and this is the bumper case itself. Have a quick look. Cut out on top for the mic, and this is your power button here. Rhino Shield branding. Get the light to hit it on that part of the bumper. Bottom cutouts. Cutout for a lanyard, and that's your volume rocker and Bixby. On the inside of the case, there is a honeycomb pattern. See if I can get the light to hit it. There you go. You can see that right there. Put the device on, and we'll go have a look. Slides right in. Make sure it's nice and snug. Flip it over. Make sure it's on there, and ooh, I'm liking how this looks. Now this looks nice back here. Wow. Now this is the ceramic white version. If you have the prism white, so you have that little iridescent look to it, the flamingo pink, if you want to show off those colors, or even the black one or the blue one, if you want to show off the back of your Galaxy S10 Plus, and at the same time, obviously you want to protect your $1,000 investment. I am digging this look. Also, if you want to skin your phones, get a case like this to show off the skin on the back of the device, which I actually might do something like that on my S10 Plus. The rear lip of the bumper case, you can see the rays on the top and bottom. So if you drop this phone and it lands on its back, boom, like that, the back will be protected. And we'll flip the phone over now and have a look at the front lip, so you can see. So if you drop this phone and it lands on the front side, let's say you have a Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector and it lands this way, your phone will be protected. Cutouts. Cutouts on the bottom, headphone jack, USB Type-C, speaker, and your mic. Have a look. Nice and precise. On this side of the phone, you have your volume rocker and Bixby, which is now remappable, which I love. That's your lanyard cutout. And we'll check out those buttons. The volume buttons. Now that's a nice and clicky button. Ooh, love it. And then the remappable Bixby button. Double press to go into Bixby. There you go. And then the power button. Off, on, off, on. Works like a dream. So let's go ahead and check out the wireless power share. Obviously, the backside of this phone is wide open, so you shouldn't have any issues wirelessly charging the phone or using this power share feature to charge something else. Like this is my Pixel 3 XL. And as you can see, works like a charm. Okay, this one is the solid suit from Rhino Shield. So we'll just have a look right now. Put that to the side, and we'll take this plastic off, put that to the side as well. And this is the case. As you can see, on the inside, you have the honeycomb pattern. Now, since these are samples, like I said earlier, on the final versions, the inside will be a matte finish. This one has a little bit of a gloss. The final versions will be matte. So it's gonna look a little bit nicer than this. It's gonna look similar to how the back looks. Feels good back here. You're not gonna get a lot of fingerprints with this, which I'll do a quick test right now, and I'll let the light hit it. I see no fingerprints. So that's cool. All right, so let's just go ahead and put the device in and let's have a look. Snaps right in, make sure it's nice and snug. And from the front, looks like this. Case blends in perfectly with the black front of the Galaxy S10 Plus. Love that. And you flip it over in the back, it's gonna look like this. Now there's nothing fancy in terms of looks about this case. This will give you a nice matte black finish back here. So if you want something low key, you want to protect your phone, let's say you have the black S10 Plus, whether it's the prism black or the ceramic black, and you want something to just protect your phone, nothing visually fancy, have a look at this one. Nice and clean back here. I love it. We'll check out the buttons right now, the volume rocker and Bixby. and then the cutout for your lanyard, which we'll test the buttons right now, and this is the power button. So we'll test out the power button right now. Nice and clicky button. Nice. Put in my fingerprint and we'll check out the rocker, the volume rocker. Again, nice and clicky. No issues with the buttons here. And we'll check out the remappable Bixby button. Double click on that to go to Bixby. And there you go, works like a charm. We'll check out the front lip right now. You have a good amount of front lip. So if you drop this phone face down, and let's say you have a tempered glass screen protector, you drop your phone this way, your device will be protected. Let's take a look at the cutouts. Have a look for yourself. Nice and precise. Rhino Shield branding right there. You have your mic cutout up top, and then the cutouts for the camera, nice and wide open. Feels really good in hand. Gives a nice amount of grip to the device. Yeah, this one's good. This one is good if you want something not visually fancy, just a matte black finish, something kind of low key. This will do the job. And finally, let's go ahead and test out the wireless charging. So I'm gonna go ahead and just turn on the wireless power share. We'll flip the phone over and put my Pixel 3 XL, and it charges the device. So this works, and the wireless charging to charge the phone should also work. This one is their solid suit with a carbon fiber finish to it, as you can see through the packaging. So we'll take a look at this one. I have a feeling I'm gonna dig this one because of the carbon fiber. I love carbon fiber. Anything carbon fiber I would like to have. And as you can see, so that's that nice pattern to it. Woo! Now this looks good. Look at that. I like the way this looks. All right, now on the inside you do have the honeycomb pattern, which will be matte finish on the final product. Okay, so buttons, cutouts. You have your button right there, cutout for the mic, camera cutout, same thing as before, but this looks really good. Ooh, now I might rock this case, or matter of fact, I will rock this case. This along with the bumper case with a skin. This is nice. Woo! All right, enough of that. Let's put in the device. We'll see how this combination looks. All right. From the front, case just blends in perfectly with the phone with the black front of the Galaxy S10 Plus, which I do love. And then you flip it over. Woo! Look at that. That looks great, man. That's nice. Especially if you have the Prism Black or the ceramic black version of this phone. So you're not gonna see the little white right here. So it's gonna be all black. Once you go black, nice. This is a nice case. Oh man, love it. All right, so let's have a look at the case, the front lip. Good amount of front lip. So if you drop this phone flat on its face, and let's say you have a tempered glass screen protector, drops this way, your phone will be protected. Raise button for the volume, and then your Bixby button, remappable now, which is great. Power button, let's check out. Nice and clicky. I am digging that. We'll do the same thing for the volume. There you go. Nice and clicky. And then double press this to go into Bixby. There you go. Works. And let's go ahead and check out the cutouts on the bottom. Headphone jack, USB Type-C, speaker, and your microphone. Have a look for yourself. Nice and precise. And then on top is the cutout for the mic, and have a look right there. Feels really good in the hand. Adds a nice amount of grip to the phone. Rhino Shield branding here also, as you can see. Cool. And in the back real quick, we'll do the smudge test, I suppose. And yeah, you're not gonna get any fingerprints with this whatsoever. So that's a non-issue for this. And before I forget, we'll go ahead and test out the wireless charging or the wireless power share. Let's see, here it is. So I'll put my Pixel 3 XL on this side, and as you can see, that works. So this works, and the wireless charging to charge this device obviously will work as well. So these are the Rhino Shield cases for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If you're interested in these, I'll go ahead and put links in the description down below. And like I said earlier, these are samples from Rhino Shield. The final versions will be available at the end of March 2018 from what I hear. So thanks for watching. Peace out.